I really thought that I cannot fight the many marketing conferences and events and the forums that are being done out there. So let's try and do something differently. So while I left all the knowledge sharing of Matrix, tactics, everything elsewhere, I said we'll celebrate. We any which ways used to do the unconference and unwind, and now we made it even more structured and formal. So we said we'll call it the Brand Master After Hours. Good evening, everyone. And it's such a delight to see so many of you once again. We did a couple of gigs during the lockdown, and today we are gathering for a very important reason. Finally, I realized there are a lot of new faces at the DMA. So all those, and of course there are the regular ones who've been coming to DMA forums for quite often. But for the new ones, I've been at this DMA gig for about 11 years now. And I really thought that I cannot fight the many marketing conferences and events and the forums that are being done out there. So let's try and do something differently. So while I left all the knowledge sharing of Matrix, tactics, everything elsewhere, I said we'll celebrate. We any which ways used to do the unconference and unwind, and now we made it even more structured and formal. So we said we'll call it the Brand Master After Hours. So we're not discussing marketing really. But it's an evening where you come together, meet up friends from the industry without an agenda or with somebody trying to sell you a product or a solution. So it's about from the heart stories of what's something that I really like doing. It's a passion. And we did some videos recently, and from that's where we got the germ of an idea that marketeers are a bright lot. They've got many passions, many things that they do beyond their day-to-day marketing job. And it is those things that they do is what makes them brilliant marketeers. And it's to understand those passion of theirs. It's about how it helps them elevate their profession. So this is the Brand Master After Us. I'll not get into more about DMA or Brand Masters. You'll learn about it as you go along. This is a small community. As you see, we don't have a large event agency, stuff like that. It's a small secretariat staff. We'll treat you with respect and the honor that you deserve, and we'll be respectful for your time. That's the promise. We'll never abuse your time or generosity. So that's the commitment that stays. Earlier I could talk a lot, but now since our speaker strips are within 9 minutes, after 9 minutes we still shut off the mic. If you see some of the old videos that we have, so that's how it is. 9 minutes we'll request our speakers to stay within. Everybody is going to share a story, so my time has got cut into half. That's 4 minutes. I'm almost nearing it. And what we also realized when we started discovering these passions of people, we realized there are some great marketeers that need to be celebrated. So we built an entire program around celebrating great marketing, and building on the 2013 edition of the Marketeer of the Year of the DMA program, which ran through 2014, 15, 16 and 17, and in 2017 it became the Marketing Influencer Awards, and now we are going to honor some trailblazers in the marketing fraternity. There has been a pandemic, there has been times of gloom and doom, but marketers that have risen to the occasion have given new hope to consumers, stuff like that. It's time to honor them and their achievements. So that's the evening that follows. We are going to have it real rapid today. So that's it from my side. I hope you have a great evening today and enjoy.